How to sell on Depop for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to sell on Depop for beginners. So first thing, you need to start by creating your account. So open up a browser, type in Depop, and it's going to take you to this link, so press that. And next thing, what you have to do is you just have to go and verify that you're a human, and you'll start with the registration process. So click on sign up. When you actually do this, you will be able to find a lot of options, such as either you can continue with Google, Apple, or manually enter in the email address. So I'm gonna go with that. Now enter in your first name, last name, your email address, username, and then create a password. Select the location, all of that. And moving on, you'll be taken to the next field where you have to verify your contact details. And as for the verification, you just have to enter the code that will be sent to an SMS or an email address. And moving on, you'll be taken to the terms of services. You have to read that all, and you'll have successfully created a seller account, and you should be able to start or explore the seller account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.